And he was sitting in front of this guy. And this guy, you could tell he was on the verge of tears. He was a father, husband, has a lot of stress. You know, it's stressful being an adult. But man, when you're stressed and being an adult and you still don't have anybody to talk to, man, it's really difficult. That's why you should always have someone you can talk to. I don't care what age you are. So he's sitting across from this guy and he wouldn't talk. Finally, Fred Rogers, being the master guy who being able to counsel people, he says these 4 words they were so pivotal. Man, I taught them to my own daughters. Here are the 4 words that he said to the guy. He goes, listen to me. He goes, anything mentionable is manageable. Anything mentionable is manageable. He's saying, like, look, whatever you say to me, man, I'm going to be here. I'm going to help you work through it. There's always hope. There's always a way out. Man, wouldn't it be cool if every day you can say that to yourself? Hey, come what may, whatever happens today, I know that I can mention it to someone and we can manage it. You know, today's tax day. A couple weeks ago, I was having issues with my taxes. I had to pay state taxes and the code was different. I just didn't know. It got to a point, honestly, it kept me up at night. I told my friend about it. I mentioned it to him and he goes, oh, hey, I know someone who can help you. Call this guy. He's an expert, financial expert. I called the guy and within a couple minutes, I had my answer. I was able to move forward. I was able to manage it. Guess what? I slept real good that night. Why? Because I mentioned it to someone. So I want to ask you a question, rhetorical. What keeps you up at night? The thing that keeps you up at night, that might be the thing that you need to mention to someone. That way they can help you manage it. Or you could just keep it to yourself. It becomes unmanageable. And then when students don't talk out, you act out. And I'd hate for you to ever do something that you'll regret for the rest of your life.